Like that.
Option!
Oh yes!
Jimmy's in a camera, right? See if you can cut.
When he's diving for the ball down here, that's the broken play.
Offside! Offside! Come on!
There it is!
Come on, you got it! Oh!
Takes it. Nice. Yes, cross body. That's it, 4, nice.
You can look the man in.
Good coverage! Gotta stop these, Holly. These are big.
Come on, Thomas. Oh, pick that.
Ball, 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 ball. Right there, Holly. Shane. Shane. Yes, sir. Back up, back up. Half back, half back.
Oh, no rolling now.
Bring it down. You're right there, Shane. Run with the ball. Yeah! Your strike, Wood. Get behind you, Holly! Sorry! Fuck, go! Sorry!
That works.
How are you going to get it? Is that okay? Are you going to be okay? Are you going to make it?
That's it, Jen! Get it, Jen!
Come on, come on!
Oh no, yeah, no, yeah. Jenny's back in fine form, running really well out there. Oh, great catch. These are the Wildcats. So I forgot they changed their jersey. They look like Wildcats.
That's a new quarterback, eh?
Well, is this the Wildcats? Because that's Donna.
At quarterback?
Yeah, yeah, she's fine. Great, she's turned into a really good quarterback. And she still has her run too.
Yeah, Wildcat.
Well, they just got the ball back. That's right. That's right. Yeah. Well, Donna's a fantastic runner, but you know, Kimmy should take her from time to time, anyways. At the least, it's a good battle. Oh, nice.
Hey, I thought I told Buddy to kick it.
Put that middle.
Come on, girls. Here it is. Dig in. 31.
Oh, okay. So what happens is your team could go 2-0, my team could go 2-0 in the same pod, but we never play each other. So it's got to revert back. It's sort of like that C.
Exactly
C1,
before.
C2. Okay, so yeah, just before it all. So it's right. If there's a tiebreaker.
And okay, and we did find a problem on the draw. Remember that thing that came up at the last minute?
Yeah, I didn't see it myself, but
Do you want to go and I can show you exactly what it is?
yeah. Make sure we have
There we go. Hey, Shauner. Mouse isn't throwing. Where's my favorite mouse? That's the shock bench. I'm an idiot. There's the mouse. Well, a Fluey's throwing and mouse isn't. That's the ball game. Oh yeah, we're great commentators here, folks. Yeah, that's the Piranhas. Yeah, they won the provincials last year. I think they lost like 2 games.